Since plastic is such a common part of our everyday life, we wouldn't even think how harmful it can be, not just for our environment, but for our own health as well. One of the most plastic-rich places in our home is in our kitchen, where an average family accumulates over 100 billion pieces of plastic a year. While we pay attention to our health by eating healthy, it's also important to be mindful of what we buy and store our food in. Here, we give you 5 noteworthy reasons to replace plastic with glass in your kitchen. Number 1. Health risks. Kitchen items such as plastic bottles and containers are made using polycarbonate plastics. If we use these products for storing or heating our food, microplastic particles can leach into our food and we end up digesting them. In fact, according to estimates, humans eat over 40 pounds of plastic during their lifetime. While scientists are still unsure what all that plastic can do to us, it is possible that when plastic enters our bloodstream, it can impact our metabolism, brain function, and some theories even associate it with infertility and cancer. Number 2. Plastic is killing our planet. Each year, more than 10 million tons of plastic waste ends up in our oceans and landfills, killing marine life and contaminating the soil. Surprisingly, according to an estimate, at this rate, there will be more plastic in our oceans than fish by 2050. Unlike glass, plastic takes decades to decompose, and when it does, it releases harmful chemicals into the air and soil. Number 3. Easier usage. High-quality glass kitchen items can easily go into the microwave or oven without releasing harmful chemicals. They are relatively easy to clean and can be put in the dishwasher as well. Plus, they are reusable and retain their clarity even on repeated usage. Number 4. Viability. Glass is one of the most viable options for storing, cooking, heating, freezing, or microwaving food. Kitchen products made from 100% borosilicate glass are a lot sturdier and heat-resistant than regular glass. Because of its advantageous properties, this kind of glass is also used for making lab equipment. Number 5. Aesthetics. While glass has some really amazing properties, it's also much more pleasing to the eye than plastic. Glass kitchen products come in so many beautiful designs and shapes that the only limit to how you decorate your kitchen with them is your own imagination. Plus, labeled glass jars also help keep things organized and your kitchen clutter-free. It's also important to realize that you're probably not going to be able to quit all plastic at once, but that's perfectly fine. Every small step we can help to dramatically reduce the use of plastic in our everyday life, ultimately helping to protect our health and the planet.